Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mwikali aka Yellow Yellow. Guys, today's video is going to be an interesting one. Caxton, say hi.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so guys, this month is Caxton's birthday. He's been anxious like for the whole week because I told him I want to take him somewhere. And okay, it's going to be a review where I'm taking him, but he doesn't know. Are you anxious by any chance?
Yes,
You're sure? And you've been texting my friends. Imagine he's been texting one of my friends to confirm nampeleka wapi. Funny enough, sijambia mtu yote. Do you know that? Ama you have an idea already? But he has very high hopes. Let's just see how it turns out, my surprise to him. Not surprise. I just want to do something different. Okay, I don't know. Just wait, guys. You're going also to see what it's going to be all about. Yeah, and what else? Guys, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button to join the Miss Mwikali gang, Yellow Yellow gang. You know, guys, how we do it? Yellow Yellow. Yeah. And lazima nikuwe na yellow mahali. Ay, damn it. Like, okay, I did not plan to have yellow today. Anyway, so, and also on this video, that's when we're going to announce the winner for the giveaway from the previous video. He's the one who's been doing the analysis, him and one of my other friend. So once we are done with this video, we are going to announce the winner. Then the winner is going to reach us via Instagram. Then we give you your gift, your giveaway. Yeah, at least this time I feel I've done something real. Yeah, so let's hit the road. We are headed to town. Just a quick glance. Yeah, then I reach my destination, then I'll tell you.
Larry Beach.
So guys, we've already arrived at the destination. Yeah, that's one. Come in here. KIBANDASKI. For your treat, what is the reaction?
Really?
The camera.
At least they kuonekana kwa kamera.
Kwa nini utaki kuonekana?
Just kwa najua.
Yeah, because wanted to come to the KIBANDASKI. Choose the one you want to go inside. KIBANDASKI for your birthday treat. Light your side ni mbaya.
Yoyote iko sawa by the way.
Yeah. Guys, tumefika then. Ndio namwambia. So, which we enter any. This would be a nice birthday treat for you. Guys, there is Caxton. Shidako ni nini?
Nini yo?
It's a good birthday surprise. You're sure? Where is shine away from the camera? So you make your order.
Oh, mimi guys. Napenda chapo na beans.
Yeah, that's the real KIBANDASKI thing. Guy, mimi siko sure napenda nini.
Chapo na beans.
Oh, nichagulie kile unataka.
Cabbage. Plain. Sawa.
Mimi sijui nataka nini.
Hata nipate decide.
Ni decide. Ni sawa. Na utatuambia tu sanitize. Kama unataka sanitize pale.
Mimi ndo sawa.
Ni sawa. Thanks mom.
Ndio ilikuwa surprise.
Yeah, this was a surprise. KIBANDASKI affair. Guys, I'm trying to position the camera so kubeba stand. Yeah, wow. But this was the surprise. Yeah, the lighting here is nice. Ndio. So guys, we are at the Kibandaski zenye ziko around globe. Yeah, so nimefika, then I'm telling Caxton this is what I was bringing you. Anaona najaribu ku vlog, then so you know there are some two boys wanakwanga just hapo, so I couldn't start from there. So when tumefika, I'm like, I just took the camera and camera.
Tumefika.
Ulikuwa shuku kukula. And you like eating that much? So guys, today we are doing a review for Kibandaski, and the real deal for Kibandaski inakuanga madondo na chapo. Yeah, I want to take something different, and guys, because of even quarantine and everything, they are observant all rules. Mimi, ake sijui nataka nini. What should I take?
Kula tu hii baadhi hapa.
So tukacheka pilipili. Guys, si moto. Pilipili kwa hapa. Haya, sawa. Apart from minji, naweza kula minji na kula na chapo. Minji na chapo. Ama minji na rice. Sawa basi, minji and chapo. Yeah, so guys, I also made my order. Let me just show you the surrounding before a bag. Hey, you guys, you are so hungry. Guys, he's already been boiling the food. Just look at him. Weki kapilipili. Nasungoje ipoe. Njaa tuko nayo. Hold on. I want to see how I'll position the camera for you. At the meantime, let me show people around the place. Then as I wait for my food, guys, yeah, happy pre-birthday. Happy pre-birthday. Also me like birthday madondo and what is it called, chapo, but I prefer today I have minji, but don't have zako. What are the position camera? So guys, this is just basically globe, as you can see it. Yeah, and we have a place to do the sanitizing. Yeah, there. So clearly this is like a basic Kibandaski. Yeah, then you enter and there is Caxton seated enjoying his meal. So I want to see, oh, mine is already here also. That is my mask. So I want to position the camera so as we can dine inside our meal, but dine inside. Anyway guys, so let's just enjoy our meal. Then we'll give you the review for the Kibandaski. Though it's not really bad. It's nice food. Yeah. So guys, just a quick one. I wish I ordered beans like caxton because his beans taste so nice. They are yummy, like so yummy. But maybe luck was not on my side. Anywho, yeah. But all in all, this was a nice surprise for Kibandaski affair, right? Ama, you want to go somewhere else after this? You're full. Ama, you'll remain. Utakuwa umeshiba. Utaki kubakisha space to go somewhere else. Asa utamaliza chapo. Okay, sio mimi nimemaliza yangu.
Yangu tunaribisha na kupatia motivation ndo malizie yangu.
Okay, sawa. But let me position the camera again then tumalizie kukula, si ndio? Sawa. Guys, after this we'll tell you what is next. Yeah, I have still more surprises for him. Really, do I have? Hapo nimedanganya. No, the other one is on Sunday. No, that won't be a surprise. That will be your birthday party.
Saturday.
No, we'll do it on Sunday. Not the one for Saturday. So I'm still trying to figure out. You don't want ice cream or anything else after this?
It's fine.
It's fine. So you want to go back home?
Naza kula, siwezi mind like out.
We can then go check in the new KFC, the one at 680. Sindio, we can go check it out. Guys, I'm not sure if we'll make to go there because walking all the way from here to there, oh my god, and the way I hate walking. It's a no. Yeah, we first have to say thank you for the took part. They actually, you see, we had placed like the how to play the game was inside Kabisa, and I realized people really watched that video step by step. First, let me not take it for granted. I have to say thank you guys. Like, asanteni, be blessed, and guys, just keep sharing my content, keep suggesting what else you think I can, where else I can review, what else you think I should do on this channel. You know guys, like, that's how we are going to grow, that's how we are going to make everything pretty beautiful, right? You already found the person?
Yeah, I know the name, but I just want to show them. Yeah.
So guys, even if you've not won, we're still going to have more giveaways. Don't feel bad, don't like, yeah, because you see I'm not the one who's choosing the winner. It's Caxton who did, and I hope si rafiki yako.
Actually, I didn't miss him.
Oh, because I wanted something really fair, just to appreciate my people.
Yeah.
Sindio. So the person, when it's not loading,
I guess it's my internet, but the winner is Doreen Gatombo. Yeah. It's here.
I will just show them. It's not easy. It can't zoom easily. Kidogo. I just read the name. So guys, the winner is Doreen Gatobu. Gatobu, yeah, right? This is what she said. Okay. Oh, guys, she wrote a lot. Okay, she said, I think online business is an amazing platform for a good business. If at all you will have good marketing skills, online business and marketing also gives you a wide range of clientele. You will sell your products to, guys, it was a very large comment. I think we'll just pin the comment over here. But yeah, you are the winner, so reach out to me via Instagram handles.
Yeah, Doreen just text her
Yeah,
for trendy fashion.
Trendy Fashions. Okay, we are going to leave the link down. You choose what you want. It's either a backpack or sneakers. Yeah, and guys, I'm so grateful. Caxton, are you still hungry? Like, do you need something else?
Maybe kanyama.
You still need to eat more. Right now? Oh.
Like maybe after 1 hour.
After 1 hour? Seriously? You sure you're hungry? Guys, we're not going to film that, but it's alright. Kijana hajashiba na switisha uongezewe food. Umeshiba? Na bado unataka kwenda Galito zaje? You're a scam.
After 1 hour.
Anyway guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please wish my brother a happy birthday, like, share, comment. Yeah, do all the positive things down there. Yeah, so till next time, peace out.
Turning